Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your Spotify songs on Twitter. So if you want to know to let your friends know on Twitter what songs you're currently listening to, you can share it by doing this. So for example, I listen to the song. You just need to open the song and then click on the share icon, and in here you'll see there's a Twitter logo, and you just can click on that icon and click on whether you want to share it to direct message or tweet. So I'm going to just choose tweet, and then after that you will be directed to the Twitter apps, and in here you can see the Twitter will automatically add the links here, so you can just type in, for example, listen to these songs right now, for example, and can just click on enter, and after that when you're done just click on tweet, so that your friends will be able to click on the link and then listen to the song on Spotify. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.